Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find and how you can enable classic symbols in the Avenza Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the manage symbol sets button. And at this section, look for the classic symbols button and click on that. And as you can see, there are 10 symbols available within this section. So if you want to enable them, just click on the white circle next to them. And once they turn orange, those that you enabled will be available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.